Hello, 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 and welcome to the Garage, hosted by me, Mr. Holliness, and my homie right here, Bone. This channel is your go-to for true, practical advice and just to have a little fun. But more importantly, we're going to talk about how you can make some extra money. But before I get into how you can make some extra money, if you're wondering why I got on these strange glasses, it's because I lost a bet to my homeboy Bone right here. So I'm gonna be a good sport and I'm gonna wear these glasses. Wake up, man. Wake up, wake up. We got a video to do. Oh, thank you. You woke up. So look, let's get into the money and then we'll talk about the other stuff after that. One of the ways you can make some extra money, it is called a virtual dispensary. Virtual dispensary. Yes, I'm talking about cannabis. See the emblem? Look at the emblem. I know y'all see the emblem. So I'm going to tell you the advantages of being a owner of a virtual dispensary. Me and Bone right here, we're owners of a virtual dispensary. Well, I'm a owner, he's an owner, but he's an owner and a customer, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna tell you the advantages of being a owner of a virtual dispensary. I'm gonna just tell you the number one advantage off the top. There is no overhead cost. No overhead costs. So you don't have to worry about the lease. You don't have to worry about paying rent. You don't have to worry about security guards. You don't have to worry about employees. You don't have to worry about utilities. You don't have to worry about having an alarm system. I mean, think about all this stuff. No overhead costs. You don't have to worry about that. And think about this. When you have no overhead costs, you actually have less liability. Less liability. So think about that. One of the other advantages to owning a virtual dispensary besides no overhead costs is you get increased reach. Now, I'm going to tell you what increased reach is. Typically, when you have a storefront, that's great. Excuse me. Nothing wrong with a storefront. Storefronts are great, but typically the people who live in your area or the people who are driving by are your general customers. With a virtual dispensary, people don't have to live in your area. People don't have to drive by. Matter of fact, people don't even have to live in the same state you do. Think about that. You get increased reach. So people from all over the world can buy your product. As long as they have an address, they can buy your product and they can have it shipped right directly to them. You can't beat it. Um, Another advantage of being the owner of a virtual dispensary is think about this. I live in California, sunny Southern California. Sun ain't out right now, but I live in California. If I decide to move to just say Wyoming, guess what? My virtual dispensary business goes with me. And if I get to Wyoming and I don't like Wyoming and I want to move to Arkansas, guess what? My virtual dispensary business goes with me. But check this out. If I get to Arkansas and I say, you know what? I want to move out the country. That's right. Your virtual dispensary business goes with you. You can't beat that. So you get the increased reach, you get people buying from all over the globe, and guess what? You have no overhead costs. Are you ready to sign up now? I bet you are. But hold up, slow down. Let me tell you some of the advantages of if you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, like my guy right here, Bone. Oh, you happy now, huh? See, he's an owner and a customer, but I'm gonna tell you some of the advantages of being a customer also. If you're a customer of a virtual dispensary, you can order 24 hours, 7 days a week from anywhere. I don't care where you at. You can be at home, you can be on the way on a road trip, you can be at church, you can be at a wedding, heck, you can be in a hospital bed and you can order your products. Another advantage of being a customer is remember this, there is no face-to-face interaction. So if you're a politician If you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, or better yet, if you're a minister, guess what? There's no face-to-face interaction. So people, they don't know what you're doing. It's shipped directly to your front door or the address you use, and it's shipped in a package. It just looks like a regular package. Can't beat it. Now, so if you want to be a owner of a virtual dispensary like me, or even a customer like Bone, this is what you got to do. I need you to, I need you to send a email to thegorage@gmail.com. I'm gonna say it again. You're gonna send an email to thegorage@gmail.com. And yes, I'll spell it for you. THEGORAUGE@gmail.com. And the reason why you got to send the email is because Bone has to make sure you're a real person, that you're of legal age. Matter of fact, I'll just say it like this. You ever go on a computer and you got to do something, and before you can move forward on the computer, when you're logging into something and wants to make sure you're a real person, sort of tell you something strange like, check all the boxes where you see a circle. Same thing, same thing. So, like I said, email Bone and you will be on your way to owning a virtual dispensary or being a customer for that fact. Moving on. Let's talk about 811. Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Let's talk about 811. 811 is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you did. It's simple. It is a nationally recognized phone number that you call before you did. And the reason why you call 811, it's simple. It's the law. A lot of people don't understand that it is the law to call 811 before you do any type of digging, before you plant that little tree, them bushes, before you install some sprinklers, or better yet, before you build a house. You better call 811 because if you don't call 811, you can cause utility damages. You can even kill yourself. But I got an idea for you. If you're confused about 811, if you're confused about underground utilities, dig alert, any of that stuff, you can reach out to a company called Ground Vision. You're going to email Ground Vision though. If you email Ground Vision, they will answer any questions regarding 811, any questions regarding dig alert, any questions about damages to underground utilities. They'll answer all those questions. Their email address is groundvisioninc@gmail.com. And it's spelled just how it sounds. Groundvisioninc@gmail.com. So go ahead and email Ground Vision any questions that you have about underground anything, and they will answer those questions. Um, Before we end, we like to end with how we can help each other. And it is very, very simple. I'm going to help you. Yeah, I got on these weird glasses because I lost a bet, but I'm going to help you and you're going to help me. And this is how. Whatever it is you sell, whatever it is you want to promote, whatever it is you do, I don't care what it is. You're going to let me and Bone know, and we're going to tell the world. We're going to tell everybody. We're going to talk about it right here on this channel, and we're going to hype you up, as they say. So you're going to email us what it is you do or selling. And in return, this is how you're going to help us. You can like our channel, you can subscribe to our channel, or you can give us the triple threat, as I call it. You can like, you can subscribe, and you can tell somebody about it. So this is how we're going to help each other. Oh, yeah, that's how we help each other. I got off track for a second. So go ahead and email thegorage@gmail.com. THEGORAUGE. And that's about it. Anything you gonna say to the people today? You gonna say anything? Oh, he giving y'all the finger. He does it all the time. Don't even worry about the finger. I wouldn't even sweat that. That is no big deal. That's his way of saying he loves you. But hey, it was good to chat with y'all a little bit. It's a beautiful day out here. The sun ain't out, but you know what? It'll be out a little bit later. But I'm actually kind of glad it ain't out yet because when it come out, it's gonna start burning up. That's right. It's gonna get hot. Um, but I'm about to go. Say bye to the people at least. I like that. He gave y'all the peace sign. I can give a peace sign too. The peace sign. He gave y'all the peace sign. That's cool. All right. Y'all have a good one.